Trading involves risk. Results are not guaranteed.
In this video, I'm going to take 5 trades with Pocket Option Auto Trader, the bot that you find in the top when you open the application. If you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on, so you never lose a video just like this one. Okay? Also, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, find a link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Also, for the ones that want to have access to a VIP bot, you just need to deposit more than $200 in your lifetime when you're using Pocket Option Auto Trader. If for some reason the bot here don't open automatically for you, this can be because of fees, so you don't exactly reach the 200 but you have deposit, just send me a message. You find a contact button below when you open your application and I will open it for you. Okay, also make sure you check out this one. This is from another broker. You see some other videos on my channel for that. Okay, so but now let's take a few trades with Pocket Option Trader and let's see how we do. And just like that, 6 trades, $583 profit and 67% win rate. How good is that? Yes, I chose to take one more trade because I thought the win rate was not good enough for this strategy, and as you can see, we got a little better. And if I run it a little longer, I'm pretty sure we will reach around 70%. So if you want this binary option robot for yourself, link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day.